Welcome to our Ann Arbor location. Come on inside. As you come inside, you'll find that we are a mental health practice specializing in a holistic, mind-body based approach. Offering both virtual and in-person care, our team of therapists are able to offer support through a variety of innovative and integrative modalities, such as somatic and movement-based therapies, EMDR, psychedelic-assisted integration, and much more. A few populations that our team offers special support for includes couples, college students, perinatal and postpartum populations, those experiencing chronic illness and pain, members of the LGBTQIA2S+ community, and more, as we pride ourselves on cultivating a welcoming, safe, and inclusive space here. If you're ready to take the next step in your healing journey, please fill out the client inquiry form on our website. Your well-being is our priority, and we can't wait to see you soon at 2725 Packard Street, Suite 101 and 102.